Hey guys, for those who don't know me, my name is Shayan. I was a hip hop music producer, rapper, an artist. I'm a digital marketer, so I do things here and there. But cars are my passion, and I've driven a lot of cars. So I thought, why not? Sometimes go and review cars. So what I'm reviewing today is my own car. I bought it last year in June. Kia Seltos HTK Plus, HTK O Plus or something like that, whatever. It's a value for money variant that Kia cars have, and I'll tell you probably a 1 year review of how good or bad this car is. Assalamualaikum, तुझे ठीक असल भाई? हाँ? No bro. Done for the day. So I'll drive around and tell you what things I love about this car or things I don't like about this car. Yeah, it's a beautiful car. Has beautiful interiors. Has a what they call a badass design. This is what Kia claims or says or whatever. That's what the tagline is. Okay. It has front sensors, it has back sensors, so yeah, makes things easier in a lot of ways. Mileage, how much mileage? So, कितना चलाई मैंने? 16,500 किलोमीटर, 16.4 to be precise. Has given me a mileage of 13.8 until now. The engine is relatively new and the mileage will eventually increase. क्योंकि होता क्या है engines में usually जो naturally aspirated engines होता है. So when you purchase a new car basically वहाँ पे user manual में लिखा होता है कि भाई 2000 से 4000 RPM के बैंड में चलना for the first 2000 kilometers and all. So what we call in Hindi or I don't know Urdu, engine रवा होता है, so it takes time for any engine to get to its optimal performance. Usually this happens by 30,000 kilometers when a car is driven 30,000 kilometers, driven for a long time on a highway as well for its endurance and everything. सारे errors जो होते हैं वो आहिस्ता आहिस्ता हिसाब आता है उसमें सारा जो भी बोलते हैं. So I don't have appropriate words to use. This is the first time I'm reviewing a car, so it's kind of hard for me, not my language. I'm gonna say जितना मुझे गाड़ियों का पता है. सस्पेंशन थोड़ा स्टिफ है, थोड़ा बॉडी रोल है, दो इट्स अ मोनोकॉक चैसी, बट या मुझे लगता है मे बी इट्स नॉट अ स्पोर्ट्स वर्जन, तो इस वजह से मुझे लगता है मे बी जो एक्स लाइन आती है या जो Hyundai की N लाइन आती है उसमें मे बी सस्पेंशन का थोड़ा सीन डिफरेंट हो, बिकॉज इट हैज़ बिगर व्हील्स एज वेल. सो वहाँ पे कुछ हो सकता है मे बी, बट यू विल मोस्टली ड्राइव दिस कार ऑन अ सिटी, इन सिटी और ऑन अ हाईवे एंड इट गेट्स योर जॉब डन. A car where you're sitting at a higher position but also have comfort because it's a monocoque. It's not a ladder on frame नहीं है ये, something like a Scorpio जहाँ पे आपको on a long drive आप थक जाओगे or something like that. In monocoque ऐसा नहीं होता and it's usually good. Yeah, I mean sedans are a different beast, but Indians love pseudo SUVs. Indians want to sit on a higher thing, and sedan में आप बहुत नीचे बैठे होते हो, and that is why there is that much comfort. इसमें आप थोड़ा ऊपर बैठोगे, round about I don't know the claim figures, होगा 190 100 200 तक का mm का ground clearance भी होगा. Yeah, you feel like you're sitting higher. Drives well, handles well, performance is good, well contained to be honest. 1.5 engine producing 115 bhp I guess, but torque थोड़ा कम होगा. I don't know how much the torque figures are, but I'll probably write it there. I don't think it will be more than 150, 170 or maybe, I don't know. Yeah, the diesel one has a different one because for diesel you need torque, a lot of torque, and torque is something that everybody loves, but you don't get those in a naturally aspirated petrol engines. You will get the better torque or good torque in diesel because it's a diesel. जलने में टाइम लगता है कंबशन में, इसलिए टॉर्क ज़्यादा होता है. BHP ज़्यादा मैटर नहीं करता वहाँ पे, टॉर्क बहुत मैटर करता है. दैट वे. Other than that, I mean, what does one look in a car? If I have to purchase a new car or I have to get a car, mileage कितना देगी, दिखती कैसा है. For some reason, people buy usually base models of cars and then get all sort of things done with their cars. I don't like that. I tend to keep my car stock. So I have had two cars prior to this. One was a 1.2 Polo TDI. Okay, I am a German head. 1.2 TDI, and then in 2019 or 20 I swapped that and I bought a 1.2 GT TSI. Unfortunately, the mechatronic gave up last year, and yeah, that's probably it about that. DSG has issues. We all know that. DSG, DCT, whatever you call it, it's just different names using different terminologies for business, basically. The same engineering, you reverse engineer a DSG and you can get a whatever you call it, DCHPP, whatever, DCT, whatever it is. Yeah, I'm probably exaggerating. But yeah, nice car to drive. I mean, drive feel is nice. What I love about Hyundai Kia is they have a very smooth gearbox. They have a very smooth steering. It's not like a German that you feel that it's hard. It's yes, definitely it's something. It's soft, easy for people to drive, and that is why you see कि Creta का कितने numbers ऊपर है. Like practical गाड़ी in a way है. I don't know what people will say about cars like Creta and all, but practically it gets the job done in India, to be honest. अच्छी स्टीयरिंग, अच्छा माइलेज, ठीक ठाक माइलेज, अच्छा भी नहीं बोलूँगा. It returns 13, if you're driving petrol. It will return you 16, 17 and even 22, 23 on a highway if you're driving a diesel. But I don't like BS5, BS6, BS6.1. So for me, if I ever, maybe I'll get a used car, a diesel somewhere, I will get a BS4. I don't like BS5, BS6. And that's I'm brutally honest. I would rather buy a petrol than a BS5 or BS6 diesel, and that is why I purchased this. It's 2 lakhs cheaper than its same model which gives you a diesel, but वही 2 लाख का तेल कब डालूंगा मैं, that calculation. And then if you're driving a diesel, you have to take care of your DPF region. You have to go and drive on a highway. So if you're just driving in city, for example, like I do usually, office, home, just some shopping and everything, so it's a start-stop traffic for me that way. So for me, petrol gets the job done. It's simple. Performance-wise, I don't think it lacks. It doesn't lack a punch. Like for example, you're driving a 1.2 NA or 1.0 MPI kind of an engine and आपको लगेगा कि पावर कम है. मेरा सिंपल है, 3rd 4th गियर में स्लॉट कर दो एंड मैं चल रहा हूँ. एंड 25 की स्पीड से 3rd गियर में चल जाती है गाड़ी आराम से, कोई लैग नहीं, कोई इशू नहीं. आई वेंट टू लद्दाख इन दिस. वी ड्रोव ऑल ओवर लद्दाख, नुब्रा, खरदुंगला, थांग, चांगला, पैंगोंग in this. And yeah, I mean, it was smooth. I'll tell you a fact. When you're driving high altitude, आप कोई भी गाड़ी ले जाओ. When you go to Hanle or you go to Khardungla or Changla, all these passes that we have in Ladakh, you need to understand diesel कम जलता है. It needs oxygen to burn, and ऐसी जगहों पे oxygen बहुत कम होता है. And if you're driving a diesel at those places, आपको power लगेगा कि बहुत लैग कर रही है गाड़ी, पावर नहीं आ रहा है, काला धुआं फेंक रही है. That happens because diesel needs oxygen to burn. Same with petrol. But petrol जल जाता है जल्दी. So it doesn't feel that way. आपको lag नहीं लगता. और जो natural engine होता है उसमें क्योंकि turbo भी नहीं होता, so it doesn't even require that that much air intake. That way no lag on a hill. हाँ, I mean you cannot do a 4x4 off-roading with a maybe a Creta or Seltos or whatever vehicles we have in this segment. For that you need a Scorpio, say S10, Thar 4x4, Jimny is the most practical car among all these. Fortuner, but that's a different kind of a base. And how often do you do off-roading and everything? We all live in cities, we have normal traffic. We need a car that's easy to drive, easy on your pocket. When I say easy on my pocket, because the service charges aren't much. I have been driving German for 10 years. SW30 or SW40, I don't know what they call it. That costs you, 4,000 rupees per 5 liters. And in this kind of a car, it just requires simple engine oil. Even if you go to Kia service center, they will put a oil in it which costs you, 300 rupees per liter. So from 4,000 INR to 1,500 INR. So it's low on the pocket. It doesn't have a turbo engine. So the maintenance charges are low. It's a petrol. All you need to do is, take it into a service center. They'll charge you 3, 4, 5,000 bucks per 10,000 kilometers. And you need petrol. Petrol is costly, but yeah, petrol. बाकी और क्या है इस गाड़ी में. मैं पहुंच गया घर क्योंकि बहुत ट्रैफिक था, तो मैं क्या कितनी बातें करता फिर. It looks well, it drives well. I don't think ऐसे कोई कौन है मुझे लगा. I guess एक्चुअली किसी गाड़ी में कोई कौन नहीं होता. सारा सीन ये होता है कि वो किसी प्राइस रेंज पे बनाई जाती है. And people need to understand that. You cannot compare, for example, an Alto with a Creta. कि उसमें जो चीज़ें मिल रही है वो भी उसमें मिलेगी. भाई प्राइस डिफरेंस बहुत है, ऐसा नहीं. सो ऐसे गाड़ी कोई भी गलत नहीं होती. सब गाड़ियाँ बहुत R&D करके बनाया होता है. अब किसी में कुछ हो जाता है तो क्या ही बोले. मैं आपका अभी थोड़ा बाहर से भी दिखा दूंगा कि गाड़ी दिखती कैसे है. I will try to create uncut videos जहाँ पे मैं थोड़ा ड्राइव करूँ, थोड़ा गाड़ी भगाऊँ, ऐसी वैसी चीज़ें. And give you honest reviews. बस मेरा वो है, अगर मेरे को मूड है तो बना लूँगा, अगर नहीं तो भाई रहने दो, मेरे पास का नहीं है. मूड पे डिपेंड करता है बहुत चीज़ें. I'll show you how it looks from the outside as well. So ये रहा इसका इंटीरियर. Looks nice, है ना. I'll just go बाहर से भी दिखा देता हूँ, and then I'll go home and probably try to create more videos in near future in case mood time आया. मेरा भाई है बहुत बिजी होता है इंसान, बट can create a little bit of content. So this is how it looks from the outside, and that is Lola. I'll review Baleno, CVT and Scorpio S10 as well. Oh, that was my cat. Sorry, Lola. This is how it looks from behind as well. Sorry for my hand. I'm just, it's a handheld thing. Sorry. Okay, thank you guys. Until next time, bye bye. There's a chance कि इस गाने पे स्ट्राइक ना आए, so इस पे मैं थोड़ा गाड़ी चला भी लूँगा and आप म्यूजिक भी सुन लेंगे. मेरे दोस्त का है. Hit the third. Oh damn it, there's an accident here.